Your new option pay per call, the advantages. Now that you know all about a great new option called local service ads, also called pay per call ads. Let's go through the advantages first and then the problems commercial cleaning services encounter, and notes of caution. The advantages of LSAs. Is it better than PPC? Let's compare LSAs to PPC ads. 1. With PPC ads, where you are seen on page 1 of Google, you are rotated, with hundreds of others, depending on how much you spend. Here is a rough idea for you, of the report we created for plastic surgeons. A practice paying more is seen 1,100 times, and someone paying less is seen 110 times, dramatically reducing the number of clicks, to remarkably low. So how do you compete with the big guys with deep pockets? Because our mission is to help our local businesses thrive, against the deep pockets, and the giants, and win, we are offering LSA services with many additional features. With LSAs, you are seen on top of the page of Google, with a green check mark, even before the PPC ads. A definite advantage over PPC ads. Your new option pay per call, more advantages. Advantage number 2. Is it better than SEO? Most commercial cleaning service owners are hesitant to spend the money required for SEO to be seen on page 1. SEO does have many advantages. However, when compared to SEO, LSA for commercial cleaning service owners is not as expensive. SEO can get you page 1 presence, but you are still lower down on the page, where no one may ever see you. But with LSAs, you are seen on page 1, and right on top of the page, and before, the ads, and before, sites paying for SEO. So, since LSA puts you above SEO optimized sites, it is a definite advantage. Besides being not as expensive as SEO. Someone looking for your service, in your service area, is a hot prospect. Who you want to cherish and nourish, nurture, and make your customer. Third advantage. You get the Google seal of approval. We call this green gold. This Google green check mark, seal of approval, immediately lets the hot prospect looking for your services know that you are okay. Because you have been screened by Google, and Google actually guarantees you to be a decent commercial cleaning service provider. So this Google guarantee is a definite advantage. So, you are not only seen on page 1, you are also seen on top of the page. Before anyone else, and you have the Google seal of approval. The green checkmark is small, but everyone notices, because it is right on top of the page, and there are only 2 or 3. Advantage number 4. You get to have as many calls coming into your business as you wish. Advantage number 5. If you get too many calls, a nice problem to have, or if you have something else to attend to, like preparing for your daughter's wedding, you can slow down the calls. That's a huge advantage in helping you save on ad dollars. We have several businesses adjusting their call volume, and ad spend this way. Thus you are not wasting calls, and not wasting ad spend. In the next video, I will share with you the problems commercial cleaning services face with LSAs. To grow your business with more leads from Google, at less cost, why don't we connect for a few minutes at lsaforusa.com, where you can tell me the best times to connect with you. Tell me the questions come up in your mind. I look forward to your feedback.